Okay, this is the part that you couldn't get into Beach Haven West until Wednesday. Notice right now I am traveling on Mill Creek Road, and a couple mattresses thrown out. It's hard to tell that this whole place was at least 2 feet underwater. A lot of stuff's not moved, but people are cleaning up already, and some people haven't even gotten here yet. People that do clean out, you can see they've already started construction down there. People throwing out their trash. Okay, right now, as you can see, looks like police are actually stopping me. I'm not going to be able to get into Beach Haven West. I highly doubt it. Let me keep the camera rolling so you can see what's going on. Yep, obviously they set up a roadblock, and I'm not going to be able to get into Beach Haven West, so I'm going to turn around. Well, there you have it. Sorry to disappoint, but they are not letting people go into Beach Haven West. It still must be pretty bad. So, sorry to disappoint everybody. Over now.